The body has four limbs. The four limbs are on the body. The four limbs are the two arms and the two legs. How many limbs does the body have? The body has four limbs. What are the four limbs? The four limbs are the two arms and the two legs. The arm is a limb. On the arm is the hand, and the hand has 5 fingers. Where are the hands? The hands are on the arms. How many fingers are on a hand? There are 5 fingers on a hand. The foot is on the leg, and the foot has 5 toes. Where are the feet? The feet are on the legs. How many toes does a foot have? A foot has 5 toes. How many fingers does the body have? The body has 10 fingers on its 2 hands. How many toes does the body have? It has 10 toes on its 2 feet. The body has a head. Where is the head? The head is at the top of the body. The feet are at the bottom of the body. How many heads do bodies have? Every body has only one head. Many people have hair on their head. Not every person has hair. Some people have no hair. Does Mr. Smith have long hair? No, he has short hair. Is Mrs. Smith's hair long? Yes, she has long hair. Her hair is longer than Mr. Smith's. Does John have long hair? No, he does not. His hair is shorter than Mrs. Smith's. Mrs. Smith has the most hair. Her hair is the longest. She has a lot of hair. Alice has the least hair. Her hair is the shortest. She does not have much hair. Mrs. Smith's father does not have much hair. The head has a face. The head also has 2 eyes and 2 ears. The eyes are blue. People hear sounds with their ears. People see with their eyes. How many eyes does the body have? It has 2 eyes. It has 2 ears too. There is also a mouth and a nose in the face. The eyes are above the nose, and the nose is above the mouth. The mouth is below the nose, and the nose is below the eyes. Is the arm longer than the leg? No, the arm is shorter than the leg. Are the fingers part of the face? No, the fingers are part of the hands. What are the hands a part of? They are part of the arms. What are the ears a part of? The ears are part of the head. Are the feet part of the arms or of the legs? The feet are part of the legs. The neck is part of the body. The head is on the neck. The head is above the neck, and the torso is below the neck. The belly is also part of the body. The belly is at the front of the body. The eyes, nose, and mouth are also at the front of the body. The back is also part of the body. The back is at the back of the body. The arms are at the sides of the body. The ears are also at the sides of the body.